Why did we decide to come here? We want to come here because, you know, Dubai is a destination hub after all for yacht owners, especially people, you know, in the bigger yacht sectors. And with everything Dubai has to offer, from its retail shops, its destinations, its islands, its marina spaces, you know, finished completely, to be completed in the next 2 years, why would I go to the Caribbean?
Boat Show is where we launch our new products to the world and where we invite our international dealers to come and see them firsthand and be able to bring their clients with them. It's definitely the longest standing and still the most recognized regional event for anything that is the leisure marine industry.
The reason why I'm here is it's always a good way of seeing how the leisure industry is developing. It's always good to see how the show develops from year to year.
The Dubai Boat Show is really the main event of the year. The show attracts customers from the entire region, which for us is very significant because we are a regional company.
We are coming with some brand new model for 2010, the CESA F54, the CESA C38. These are the two best sellers of CESA. This brand is made in Italy. The finishing is really exceptional, and we have a lot of serious look for this one.